The civil authorities have issued a local area emergency for Mountain TX, Cook TX, Grayson TX, Fannin TX, Lamar TX, Red River TX, Bowie TX, Wise TX, Denton TX, Collin TX, Hunt TX, Hopkins TX, Franklin TX, Titus TX, Camp TX, Morris TX, Cass TX, Parker TX, and Tarrant TX, beginning at 11:48 a.m. Saturday, November 9th and ending at 11:48 a.m. Sunday, November 10th. Missing endangered child from West Waukene, Texas. Missing child is Jordan McKeachron, 16-year-old white female, last seen wearing a black t-shirt with a CDC on front, black pants, with black and white shoes. Call West Waukene Police Department with information at 903-447-3605. If seen, call 911.